So how can I scale from 15K months to 30K months for Q4 with Etsy dropshipping? So from like 15K a month with Etsy to like 30K a month in Q4, honestly, it's just going to happen. So with Etsy during quarter four is October, November, December. So November, you got Black Friday. Obviously December, we've got Christmas. So it's literally only like a few months away now. Well, we're basically in Q4 now, basically. If you're doing 15K a month already on Etsy, it's going to be incredibly easy to get 30K a month. Like, you don't have to really do anything else. Like, if you just maintain your current stores, you will easily do 30K in November. You'll probably do around 50K in November. The one caveat to this is your product needs to have the ability to be gifted to others or be nice enough where people are going to buy it for themselves during the Christmas period. So this basically covers every product. The only kind of exclusions to this are like summer related products, because no one's really going to buy something summer related for a Christmas present, either to themselves or to someone else. But if you're doing 15K a month with Etsy in September, you're going to hit 50K 50 in November alone. Like, I'd honestly bet money on it.